afternoon, everybody. Not a lot of footage, been heavy rain all day. This is about the lightest it's been. Welcome to Kenyon, Minnesota. On our way down to a reserve to unload what we got. I'll get back to you. What a day. Yep, muddy roads and all. Steel horse is gonna get a little bit dirty today. Yeah. Yikes. And it's raining, it's sloppy-ish. Just ish, I'm telling you. All right, everybody, I'll get back to you. Let's go make a delivery. Well, let's head back to Banks, grab a next load, call it a day. We're just in rural southern Minnesota. Ooh, turkeys out in the field. I don't know if I caught it or not. Couple turkey lurkeys. But it's started to lighten up a little bit. Not as much rain. Still gray and crappy, but we will have accomplished a full day today. We are currently at 702 miles into the day. Alright, I'll get back to you. Whee! Hello, everybody. We are fixing dinner. We have got our shrimp and eggs, and then we'll be cooking up a couple of ribeyes. We are done for the day. We're sitting here in I guess this is Cannon Falls. We have got loaded, and we're not going up north. Up north of Mille Lacs Lake, we're going to Eau Claire, Wisconsin, a little closer, so we'll just roll up the day. We'll call it good. That's okay though, because they got me going to Mesa next week, so covering somebody else's, somebody's gone on vacation, so we're covering somebody else's run. So probably back on the road Saturday. We'll get back up by Thursday next week, and then grab another load. We'll go to Mesa and back, and then we'll grab something else. Well, let's roll it up. You guys enjoy your weekend. I'll catch you on the other side. On that, God bless. I love you. Lord willing, I'll see y'all next week.